Welcome to Just for the Health of It, the area's most complete health food store. At Just for the Health of It, we offer gluten-free, all-natural food selections and specialize in our fresh-baked, all-natural gluten-free pizza and fresh baked goods. Just for the Health of It is your one-stop for a wide variety of all-natural desserts, snacks, pastas, frozen meals, and much more. We also offer natural health and beauty aids, natural cleaning supplies, and aromatherapy. Check out our large supply of vitamins and supplements, herbal extracts, and natural hair care products. We also offer dairy-free and vegetarian products. For all your natural gluten-free products, come visit us today, Just for the Health of It, your hometown gluten-free health food store. Call us or stop by today at 300 North Comrie Avenue, 848-3964.